Welcome to the Necromancer's Quill, my Kiroween submission. This is an AI text humanizer transformed into a Halloween experience. The theme is all about resurrection. We take dead AI text and breathe life into it. Notice the spooky terminology: soul saved instead of text processed, evasion rate instead of success rate. Now, let's begin the ritual. This is the resurrection chamber, formerly the dashboard. Stats show soul saved, necromancer power, midnight sessions. Even the login page is themed. Enter the crypt, bind your souls. The site navigation is fully themed. Spell books for templates, and potion lab for A and B testing. The graveyard for history. Now here's the main feature, the ritual editor. Let us begin our first ritual. We paste in our curse text, artificial intelligence. I'll paste the obviously AI generated text and click resurrect. But first I have to choose which model, which cursed method I should use. I shall use the hierarchy model and resurrect. Now, as you saw, it was channeling in the spirit instead of processing. The ghost detector shows the curse level dropped. The text now reads more naturally and will pass AI detection. Now I could go all day about our necromancer quill and everything that happens in it. So let me go to the IDE and how I built this entire system. Now let me show you how I built this with Kiro. The magic is in the .kiro folder, where in which this is my steering file, which with inclusion always, it maps all the terminologies. Humanize becomes resurrect, dashboard becomes resurrect chamber, processing becomes summoning spirits. Because this steering is always active, every time I ask Kiro to update a component, it automatically used Halloween terminology without me repeating it. So I also use specs to define the vision, color palette, animations, accessibility requirements, and the list goes on. I have the AI humanizer, front end, back end interaction, front end verification, Halloween theme. The most scariest part about this is this entire application was designed by 130 requirements. So yeah, that's the most scary, spookiest thing about this system. I also created hooks to remind me about Halloween consistency every time I saved a component. Every page is themed: the graveyard for history, spell books for templates, dark arts for analytics, and it's all WCGAA accessible with high contrast mode and reduced motion support and font scaling, all functionality actively provided in this entire page and everything. And yeah, that's my presentation and my project. Thank you.